So I'll probably still come back here with my pole chainsaw once I get it fixed. Keeps falling apart. I'll link that video down below on why the HT131 Stihl extendable pole chainsaw is an absolute piece of junk. Welcome back to Sow Grow. Today I have taken the tractor to one of the parks that I manage for work. Excuse me, and today I'm gonna prune some trees for mowing clearance. And then I'm gonna haul the branches away with the tractor, and maybe I'll go back and clean up some of the trails too. So come along. So I'll probably still come back here with my pole chainsaw once I get it fixed. Keeps falling apart. I'll link that video down below on why the HT131 Stihl extendable pole chainsaw is an absolute piece of junk. So anyway, got most of these trees pruned. I'm gonna grab one of this little branch right here, and then I think that's pretty much it for here. So the 3 or 4 of you that actually watch my videos on a consistent basis, you'll recognize this property from one of my mowing videos. and I'll link that down in the description. Dump this crap in the woods. Oops, I dropped a couple. That's alright. Right here used to be a giant mulberry tree. Same video, we cut that thing down and it fell over. Shove all this in the woods. You'll get the scragglers that I dropped. This big oak right here with this long branch, I don't know. I don't think I'll even be able to get that with the pole saw. Let's head down the trails and see if there's anything that needs to be cleaned up. This is actually the first time I've taken my own equipment to work. Ooh, it's muddy. I made it. This sure beats dragging branches by hand, I'll tell you that much though. Okay, coming through here, there's a ditch, and it's a little wet, and I am hoping I do not get stuck. And if I do, I guess you guys get to laugh at me. On the way through, I left some ruts. Maybe I'll come up on over here a bit more. Ooh, it's soft. Shit. Okay, fingers crossed we can get out of here. Well, we made it across. 2 thumbs up. This is a lot steeper than it looks on camera, I'm sure. Anyway, trails look good. Didn't really have to move anything. So, we'll just hop in and see if there's any more trees I want to prune. Okay, got the tractor loaded on the trailer. Silverado's ready to go. Done pruning, which didn't take as long as I thought. And probably gonna be back at it tomorrow with a different park. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the morning. closed. There's a bridge over a creek, and apparently the bridge is out. So I'm gonna have to take the scenic route. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. Thanks.